dolphins are not fish, are they? Very nice. Now we all know that dolphins breathe air. But how do you think they do it? Well, they use their blowholes on top of their head. Listen. Hear those deep breaths? That blowhole is conveniently located so they don't need to lift their heads out of the water to breathe. It has a special lid on it that opens and closes so the water gets inside. They also use the blowhole to talk, making a variety of sounds including clicks. He's gonna demonstrate the behavior called the breeze. Now dolphins use that behavior when they want to scratch their skin on the surface of the water. Jumping up next, Loki and Kira is gonna demonstrate the behavior called the high bow. Now dolphins use that behavior when they want to look around. Now why do you think we humans design and build our ships and airplanes after a dolphin's body? Because they are streamlined and built for speed. Did you know that these dolphins can dive up to 1,000 feet, hold their breaths for up to 15 minutes, and swim as fast as 77 kilometers per hour? Ready, guys?